Welcome back, guys. This is Moses from FX Fabric, and I'm glad to see you today. Today I have good news. Today we took the account from $6,000 to $10,000, and actually we managed to go beyond that. We took the account from $10,000 to over $20,000 within I must say few hours. Actually, it just happened like this, very fast, and we used very simple price action and very simple strategies you guys can easily learn, like trend lines and mainly price action. So guys, hang on, sit down, hold your chair tight and watch carefully how I did it, and you'll learn how to do it. So guys, let's jump into it. This trade, as you can see guys, I'm looking at gold, and check, actually this time I think they're right, I'm not sure, but actually check the sides. I'm going to post a video on how that trade went out, but right now I want to take you through what was in my mindset. How did I make that trade, and how can you guys use that in order to do something similar? Because what I've realized about the market is it's a code. Once you get it, once you catch it like this, it becomes so easy, and you can easily take an account from 500 to 1,000, from 1,000 to 3K, and then from 3K to 6K, and then from 6K to over $10,000 within this happened actually within a week, but I can't say it's a whole week. It was a few days, maybe maximum 3-4 days for me to reach that level. Very fast. So guys, hang on very tight. And yeah, as you can see guys here, this is gold. As you look at the 4 hours, sorry, I have my trend lines already here, and yeah, you can see that gold was on a downtrend, and that was from from 30th of October, Wednesday. Gold went on a downtrend, went into this bearish flag, and actually it was a bullish flag, as you can see. Since it's a massive uptrend, this was a normal retracement. And if you watch my videos, previous videos, I talked about this, that gold is going to this is a retracement. It's not a massive, like a general downtrend. So you had to be careful on when gold was going to turn around, and you can see where it turned around, and we continue to move all the way up to the top. So guys, yeah, so let me, do you see where I indicated this arrow? That is where we made the money. Very fast movement like this. So check carefully here. Let's go back to the 1 hour time frame. So after identifying the trend, that is the first step. What trend are we in? We are in an uptrend, and an uptrend, it's simple guys. If you've never traded, an uptrend is a trend which moves from down to the top. Simple as that. Okay, we've identified an uptrend. We've seen a point of reversal here, and if you look closely here, this is a head and shoulder. You can see one shoulder here, the next shoulder here, and the head. And actually when it comes down here, it's, if you even look deeper, closer into this place, it forms some kind of a double headed pattern here. Yes, this is a little lower, but it's some kind of a double headed pattern, you can see. So there are a lot of patterns here which would have told you that this is a reversal, and they would have helped you to catch this trade. Look at where I caught it from, but some people actually managed to catch it from here and managed to ride all this. As you can see, I have some open trades going on actually with some accounts I manage here, so don't worry about these trades. You can check my private channel. You can see that I anticipate this market to go all the way up to these highs. So keep tuned. So guys, let's get back here. And as you can see, I drew my trend lines. I already have my trend lines from the weekly. This is a weekly trend line. And as you can see, when the market was moving up here, it crossed this area. You can see here. It crossed my trend line, which has been respected for some time. So guys, look closely. The trend line I drew was respected once, twice, 3 times, you see, and after that it got broken through. You can see guys, after breaking through it, I knew that this market either is going to go and touch a certain support. You can see around this level here, a certain support, before it comes back for a retest. So if you are advanced as we, you can make money off a retest, or you can actually make money off the market while before it starts to retest. That is literally what I did here, because after this market left this zone, I thought it's going to come back for a retest here. Look closely at this candle. You can see this massive red candle. I thought it was going to come back for a retest around this area, the point where it crossed my trend line. But look at what happened. It gave us a very massive bullish candle, and I couldn't miss that out. That was during my trading time. This is 11 in the morning, Moscow time. I mean, actually Moscow. So guys, as you can see, I got this massive green candle, and I was like, why not take the opportunity? Because I know that once I set such a massive candle in a predominantly uptrend, it's going to be followed by at least 1 or 2 more massive green candles. You see guys, that is what we call price action. So, and the other thing is that when this market came around this area, what gave me confidence to buy is that one thing you should always remember, learn in uptrends or downtrends. The previous highs, let's say it's an uptrend, the market is moving, makes a high here, it moves below here, and then makes another high here. So don't forget this previous high it made. When the market comes back to retrace, it always, not always, but many times it uses that previous high as a support before it takes off. So mostly those highs, previous highs, look at them very carefully. If you know the principle of supply and demand, somebody can draw out demand zones. They create very massive demand zones that when the market hits them, it gives a massive rejection. And look at what happened at this area. Literally, that is the principle I was following, because I knew if it doesn't cross that area, then we are going for a retest. But if it crosses that area and closes below it, we are going for a retest. But if it doesn't cross it, and then forms a massive bullish engulfing candle, then we are still going up. It's still going up some more before it comes back for retest. And I made use of those pips. Okay, so let me show you that area here. Just a minute. Yeah. So you can see this zone around here. See guys, this is the previous high which has been formed. You see, now when the market is moving back into this area here, I am looking at this zone very carefully, because I know, if you know price action, I know that these are areas where potential reversal points. You understand? In every down or uptrend, it depends. Previous highs are always potential reversal points. Whenever the market revisits that area, continues high, continues high, continues higher, you see. And if it's an extended trend, you can ride that market very well. So guys, that is just simple. That was the strategy behind it. So we entered the trade. Let me show you. Let me first delete this and make this clear. If we move on down to the lower time frame, very simple price action, guys. Sorry, very simple price action, and you can see that. Okay, so let's come back here. Okay, so no, this is the current trade. Oh, come on, sometimes I lose the graph. So okay guys, look, and the other thing is that I use 100 EMA, you can see, and for as long as the market is still above the 100 EMA, it's an uptrend, I'm buying. So easy guys. So you see, the market came back here, and I thought it's going to come back for a retest around this area. But look at, I watch this place close, because if it comes back for a retest, that means it's going to cross my 100 EMA. Then I would wait for it to come back and cross it again, give me a massive bullish signal, massive bullish engulfing candle in that case, or maybe a good hammer, which is coming from the bottom, and then I can get in. But it didn't give me that, and I'm following price action strictly. Price action is follow what the market is telling you. It tells you I'm still going up. So what happened here? Look at this massive candle. It came here, formed some kind of a trough, and if you look closely here, this is a very massive demand zone. You saw on the 1 hour time frame, I drew it roughly, but look at how it came into this zone. You see guys, somebody could actually have gotten in here, but I anticipated a retest, so I feared this area and I waited for it to escape it. And look at, after it escaped it, there was nothing I'm waiting for. I entered into this trade. Yep, the way I trade a one-to-one is actually good for me. Why? Because I make use of the little pips the market gives me. How is it? There is a saying which says, make hay, I think, while the sun shines, something like that. So guys, make maximum use of the market while it gives you those pips, because one thing you should know is that nobody owns the market. You can predict a 1 to 3, but if you don't take profits on 1 to 1, how many times are you going to get a 1 to 3 to work out, right? So if you target always a 1 to 3, there are not so many chances that your target will hit a 1 to 3. Many chances your trade will come and hit a 1 to 1 and come back, go and hit your 1 to 2 and reverse from there. Actually, it happens a lot of times. So if you're sure that your success rate of hitting a 1 to 1 is over 80 to 90%, which is in my case, then why not make use of the 1 to 1 so that you make all your profits within that 1 to 1 and then leave the rest for the market? Because come on, the market is always going to be moving. It will stay there and there's nothing else. It won't go anywhere. Even if you come back tomorrow, you'll find it. So as simple as that. Make use of the minimal amount of pips the market is giving you and get out of the market immediately. So guys, let me not waste more of your time. I've shown you how I've got into this trade. Check the right. I hope it's the right, but anyway, check one of the sides this side, and yeah, I'm going to post the video how it went, and I'll come back to comment and show you on that trade. Actually, on this trade which we just posted here, we made around 11k. We took it from $6,000 to over 11k. But hang on, I will show you another video where I continue to trade. Actually, after that, I think it was New York session where I saw an opportunity and I got in again, and I took that account from 10k to over $20,000 using the same principles, same simple strategies, and doubled the account literally. So guys, hang on here, check out the video on the right, whatever it is, and let's get trading.
A few moments later.
Surprise, motherfucker.
All right, welcome back, guys. Again, as you see, that trade played out very smoothly, perfectly well. As you can see in that trade, we made over $11,000, and I actually didn't think we were going to do it in one trade. I even thought maybe we shall go from 6K to around 8K, but the market was giving me more. And these days I've been saying gold has been generous. Gold is moving constantly in an uptrend, and you don't know, like, you can't just let it go. It's as easy as that, guys. So I made over 11K, and I turned that account, almost doubled it actually, because from 6K to 11K, that's almost double. So you can see, guys, very simple price action and very simple strategies. I already drew my trend lines. Guys, don't forget that I have a mentorship going on, and I can teach you all these methods. They may look simple to you, but you know, one thing you should know about something is that the simpler it looks, the harder it becomes. Trading is the simplest way to make hard money. I don't know if you get what I'm saying. That it's very easy for you to get into trading, but it's very hard for you to make a constant income out of it unless you're ready to dedicate the time and dedicate the energy to learn how to trade. So guys, check out my mentorship. Just go and send me a message, and yeah, I can teach you how to do that. And the other thing is, I actually do account management. So as you can see, these trades, this was somebody's account, and yeah, he gave it to me, and I managed to turn it from $500 to over $11,000. And actually, from the video I'm going to add on right next, you will see that we managed to take that account from $11,000 to $20,000 in one trade. Imagine that. I'm not selling you, we can call it a dream, but I want to show you that this is something which is doable. It's, you know, when you watch other traders do it, when I also started, I thought it's not possible, like these guys are just, you know, it's a lie. But after experience, after trading, looking at charts from morning to evening, and literally speaking charts, I got into sync with the charts, and you get into sync with the market, that with every step the market takes, you're already predicting where it's going, and why not make use of it? So with such experience, it's very easy to flip an account like this, but it comes with experience, it comes with the knowledge. If you put in the time to learn the knowledge and learn those strategies and have the time to perfect them, and have the patience, of course. You can't make everything at once. That is the advice I'm giving you. But guys, for those who are struggling with it, and maybe you're in some financial difficulty, or you need to make a fast income for some reasons, we all have different reasons. Yeah, shoot me a message. Check out my Telegram channel. Go and check my video description. The description of my channel. You will find all my contacts there. I have my Telegram channel and my account to my Telegram channel. So DM me, shoot me a message, and yeah, I only need your MT5 details. If you're not trading, you're not MT5, you cannot use it to access somebody's funds. So all I need is access to your trading platform. I don't need access to your money, and yeah, we can start trading. We share 50-50 once everything is finished, and my marathons always last a week. So if I take on 500, maybe 1K, I start with 500 because it's easier to work with. $100, I can say it's quite difficult to work with, but we can work with it. But I recommend starting from 500, 1,000, and then the ladder goes up, you understand? But of course, the more investment somebody has, but the faster you reach the target. So guys, don't forget, shoot me a message, and yeah, let's start trading. So guys, let me, if you can hold on a little, I'll come back very soon with the next video on how I took that account from $10,000 to over $20,000. Hang on.